Want to know how to optimize ad creatives using AdCreative AI and get the most out of your marketing campaigns? In this video, I'll show you exactly how this powerful tool can help you elevate your ad creatives and maximize your ad performance with minimal effort. Stick with me until the end, because you'll discover not only how to use AdCreative AI, but also how you can access it completely free through an exclusive offer. AdCreative AI is a game changer for digital marketers looking to optimize their ad creatives quickly and efficiently. Whether you're running Facebook, Instagram, or Google Ads, this software is built to take the guesswork out of the process. The beauty of AdCreative AI is that it uses artificial intelligence to analyze your data and automatically generate ad creatives that resonate with your audience. The platform leverages machine learning algorithms to evaluate thousands of different ad combinations. What makes it stand out is its ability to automatically choose the best performing visuals and copy, allowing you to scale your campaigns faster. This means you can test dozens of creative variations in a fraction of the time, so you're always ahead of the curve. You'll start by feeding the AI with basic information, like your target audience, the type of product or service you're promoting, and your preferred tone of voice. From there, AdCreative AI takes over and suggests creative elements like headlines, images, and calls to action based on what's proven to work in your industry. This way, you're never stuck wondering if your ad will connect with your audience. It's already been optimized for you. What I love about AdCreative AI is how it can be used by both beginners and seasoned marketers alike. For those just starting out, you don't need to worry about creating the perfect ad from scratch. The AI does the heavy lifting for you. And for experienced marketers, you'll appreciate the time saved by letting AdCreative AI generate multiple high-quality ads in minutes, which you can then fine-tune and deploy in your campaigns. Here's the big secret. When you optimize ad creatives using AdCreative AI, you're not just relying on data from your own campaigns. The AI draws insights from a massive pool of data across different industries, giving you an edge in identifying winning ad creatives that you might have overlooked. It continuously learns and improves, meaning the more you use it, the better it gets at predicting what works for your business. But what really sets AdCreative AI apart is the ability to optimize for conversions. Beyond simply improving engagement, it focuses on what truly matters, getting people to take action. Whether it's making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or clicking through to a landing page, AdCreative AI fine-tunes every ad to convert better. Before I wrap this up, remember that you can get started with AdCreative AI for completely free, thanks to an exclusive extended trial available only through the first link in the description below. With this offer, you get to test everything out, create your ad creatives, and see the results for yourself without any upfront costs. So, whether you're new to digital marketing or you're looking to scale your campaigns, AdCreative AI is your key to creating ads that actually work. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Hit the link below to grab your extended free trial and start optimizing your ad creatives today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out that exclusive trial.